sulfur-crested cockatoos. The sulfur-crested cockatoos is a large, beautiful species of parrots. They live in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. This species has a length between 17 to 25 inches and white-colored plumage. This iconic parrot species live up to 70 years. They mainly feed on berries, seeds, nuts, and roots. And now number 2, African grey parrot. African grey is the most intelligent, talkative parrot species in the whole world. As the name indicates, African grey parrots are endemic to Congo of Africa and in grey coloration. On number 3 is scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw is one of the most beautiful and largest parrot species in the whole world. They inhabit in rainforests and Central and South America. The scarlet macaw also have a long life expectancy between 40 to 50 years. This intelligent parrot species show excellency in mimicking of number of words and voices. Number 4, blue and yellow macaw. Species native to South America. They inhabit in humid forests and swamps. These parrot species are extremely social and intelligent. They love to interact with people and learn different tricks from their owners easily. Number 5, Haiken macaw, or also called blue macaw. Haiken macaw is the largest flying parrot species in the whole world with a length of 40 inches, which is really big. It is an endangered parrot species and the surviving members are mainly found in South Brazil. Number 6 is Gala parrot. The beautiful Gala parrot are identified by their pink chest and face. Gala parrot are also called as rose-breasted cockatoos and Gala cockatoos. They found across almost all regions of Australia. The Gala parrots reach up to a length of 14 inches and weight between 270 to 350 grams. And on number 7 is Dusky Lorry. The extremely active and playful Dusky Lorries are one of the most popular pet parrots in the world. The Dusky Lorries have length up to 9.5 inches. The Dusky Lorries are originated from Papua New Guinea and also called as white rum lorry. The diet of Dusky Lorries consists of fruit, nectar, and seeds. And on number 8 is sun parakeet. Sun parakeet is an attractive and endemic parrot species native to South America. They are also known for mimicking of the human voice. Sun parakeet make crops that contain up to 30 birds and feed on berries, fruits, nuts, and flowers. And on number 9 is Eclectus parrots. The Eclectus is a strikingly colored parrot species native to Papua New Guinea. The Eclectus are also one of the best pet parrots in the world. They are very calm, social birds. The Eclectus parrots show their communication skill in an entirely different way than other species of parrot. They are also lifespan up to 30 years. And the last, not the least, bronze-winged parrot. Bronze-winged parrots are medium-sized, unusually colored parrot species native to South America. Bronze-winged parrots are intelligent and playful. starts from March to June. The female bird lay 3 or 4 eggs and incubation lasts for 36 days. Thanks for watching of your cooperation and your consistency.